morning, students. Today we will go with a new chapter of English grammar, chapter number 11, Adverb. Adverb, the definition of adverb is written on my board. Adverb are the words that tells us more about the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs in our sentences. So what is the role of an adverb there? It tells us more about a verb in that sentences or an adjective in that sentences or any other adverb in that form of sentences. One such example is here on my board is the cat purrs happily. So here the word purrs means it's a verb, and what does the cat is doing? Purrs happily, and happily is an adverb over there. So now I will be going with the different kinds of adverb that is there in your textbook. Now, the first kind of adverb in your textbook is the adverb of manner. So what it is, the adverb of manner tells us about how an action is done. Adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. Example is the lion roared loudly. So how did the lion roar? It roared loudly. So that comes in adverb of manner. One more important thing that you have to learn in this is that you can add ly to the end of the adjective. Suppose the word is loud. When you add ly, it can be loudly. That will be an adverb of manner. Again, one more important is any words that end with y, you can add an iny to the end of the word of adjective, and that will be forming on the word adverb of manner. One example is written on my board is busy, B-U-S-Y. See, the last word is ending by y. When you add ily to busily, that is also an adverb of manner that can be replaced by y to ily. The next one is adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us when an action takes place. See the word when. The adverb of time always refers to us to the when an action has taken place. Example is it rained yesterday. See, when it rained yesterday. See, the word yesterday tells us it's an adverb of time. The next one is adverb of place. It tells us where an action takes place. That means adverb of place tells us about where an action has taken place. An example is the children are playing upstairs. So where are the children playing? The children are playing upstairs. So here's the difference between the adverb of time and adverb of place. Now the next one is the adverb of frequency. What it tells us about how often an action takes place. Adverb of frequency tells us about how often an action takes place. Example, she is never late for school. That means she is not often, that she sometimes, she can see she is never late for school. See, the word never tells us the adverb of frequency. The next one is the adverb of degree. What does that tell us? The adverb of degree tells us about an extent or intensity of an action. Intensity of an action. I am slightly, the word slightly, see, weak after a bout of malaria. That means once a malaria hit the person and he is slightly weak. Another such example is there on your page number 54 about an adverb of degree is you can use the word nearby, fully, then completely. All these are the examples of adverb of degree. Students, just try to read that chapter once again and write down one definition of adverb with one example in your English grammar notebook. Thank you.